Hello students, a very warm welcome, and here in this session we are going to learn that how to write a C program to create a file called EMPREC, that is employee record, and store information about person in terms of his age, his name and salary, right? So very important program of file handling, and one by one we are going to scan it. So the concept, like, we are going to create a file pointer star fptr of file type and one array whose name is name. 20 memory allocation is there just to hold the name of the person. The type is char. One more variable age, integer type. One more variable salary whose type is float. Now what we are doing, we are assigning an open file in write mode to fptr. Basically this file pointer is assigned. This is assignment operator. What we are assigning, we are opening a file emp.rec, creating a file, and in writing mode we are assigning it to fptr, to the file pointer. Thereafter, if fptr equals to null, it means that if there isn't any file name emp.rec, in that case file does not exist, because such name file may not exist. In that case it does not exist. Else if such kind of file exists, then what we are doing, see, enter the name. We are asking user to please enter the name. Whatever user is going to enter, we are going to store it as percentage name. Name is basically name of array, so by default that name is going to be stored here. And thereafter fprintf, I hope you know, we have discussed scanf, fprintf. So fprintf is going to store that name, and it's also going to print it. Okay, similarly we are going to do with age, and similarly we are going to do with the salary. As salary is of float type, so we are using %2f. Just point2f, it means that the spaces between each and every character will be of two width. It means that this is one width, this is one more width, it's like that, one width. So the spaces between them would be 2. If I will put 0.5, spaces between character would be 5 spaces, like that. So width of character is the sense of this. Okay, so fprintf is basically going to print and store the data, and at the last we are going to close the file. So I hope that it would be better taken by you. Let me run it on the online compiler, on my PC's compiler. Just a second. Okay, let me run it so that concept would be more clear. The name of this file is emprecord.c. Okay, emprecord.c is the name of this file. Okay, emprecord.c. Let's try to run it. Okay, successfully run. Enter the name. Let me enter my name. Enter the age. Enter the salary. So this data is stored in that file, right? So that is the thing that using fprintf we can do like this, right? So I hope the concept of creating a file with the name emp.rec is clear. Now what you can do, you can go to the coding folder. You can go to the coding folder and you can see here emp.rec is there, right? emp.rec is there. So this file is created with that data. With that data, we have created this file. The concept should be clear to everyone. If anybody is having any kind of doubt, confusion, query, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.